Today my topic is importance of diagnosis in treatment. It is a very common sense that if we know what is wrong, then the treatment becomes very easy. If we do not know what is wrong, treatment take time. So the proper diagnosis is very important. It is also true that most of the diagnosis and tests that we are having today are highly expensive, but sometimes it is worthwhile. Why diagnosis? Because the number of disease are increasing. Some of the disease have similar symptoms, similar pattern. So it is very important to diagnose the proper disease. Now the disease have different reaction. Disease have medicine treatment which have different reaction, different allergy, different side effects. So on and on, diagnosis become very important tools. Even though some of the alternative medicine therapy are without medicine and are free from side effects, still the diagnosis is a useful tool. It will help in the treatment and send the patient to the treatment level very effectively. But the disease which are of severe nature, which we cannot treat, can definitely put and given to consultation if we know the proper diagnosis. Diagnosis is not just useful for treatment but also precaution, prevention, treating the disease beforehand so that it may not get severe. Most of the alternative medicine are very old system. Some are very ancient. So the diagnosis used in those symptoms has a treatment. Some are still very effective. Some have to be modernized. Some have to be taken new. Nowadays, a diagnosis is not very difficult. It is an additional study. We have to study anatomy, physiology, lab tests, imaging, which are not very difficult. Most of the tests come with the result, with conclusion of expert. So it is very easy to use the diagnostic tool in lab and imaging department. When we can know what is missing, the hormone is missing, the chemistry change in the body. So all these tools are very, very helpful. Most of the reports have abnormal and normal range given. So now it is very easy. Why not? If with little hard work we become expert in this field and we become more scientific in the approach, this will help us in the oldest treatment. In old treatment, we diagnose with tongues, with alarm points, with pulse, and other diagnostic tool. But nowadays, why rely on those old methods when new methods are very simple and very easily? Another reason of diagnostic that the symptoms of the patient keep on changing from high to low, from better to worse, from worse to better. So to keep the on record whatever the changes there, the diagnostic tool become very useful. And it is to care, to see improvement in patient diagnosis become very useful tool. If we want to show how we low down the blood pressure of high, they can test in the modern field and say yes, it is effective. So whatever treatment we are giving to see the effectiveness is also useful in diagnosis. So I prefer that we should modernize alternative medicine with a little diagnostic tools, this will be very helpful in our treatment in all pathy, not only homeopathy, Ayurvedic, but acupressure, acupuncture, color therapy, this thing. So it is, I personally advise that diagnostic tool is very helpful. Nowadays, if we feel something, we know that at a certain age the disease develops. So beforehand, if we can diagnose the lack of thing in a body, we can improve. Diagnosis in our system is more easy than in other system because we divide the body in different part from head. Like in wrist acupuncture, we divide the body in three parts. If we divide the body in three parts, if we know from year to year what organs are there, so we can treat these organs, these diseases. If there is a problem in the lungs, we can treat the lungs problem, in the problem in stomach, the problem in the reproductive system, if the problem is muscular, skeletal. So all this, we can know the status of the bone, lack of calcium, lack of vitamin D, so on and so forth. There are DEXA machines in imaging which exactly calculate the calcium in your body, the D3 in your body, and so on. So I personally feel that even in alternative medicine, let use a diagnosis tool. Let make a little more effort, little more study. It is very simple, it's not very hard. And if we do that, we will see the exactly very good result. Thank you.